Hi everybody. Sorry I haven't been really making any videos, but thought I'd make one for you guys tonight. I have here poutine, that's gravy on fries and cheese, and I have a blizzard of s'mores and a little dessert, like a mousse with like brownies on the bottom, I think it is. And then I have a drink. This is called Halloween, right? Alright, let's dig in, I guess. I warmed it up and now it got cold again. I wanted it to be like stretchy cheese, but it didn't work. I mean, it did, but I've been trying to set this up so you guys can see the food at the same time, but I'm trying. Hang on. I'm gonna mix this up. There we go. That's some hot cheese. Sorry. But, so I went to work today. I worked from 5 to 11:30. It was okay. I had a good day. But it sucks because I got a promotion to be supervisor, but just so happens both my cars had to stop working on me. And now I'm like trying to figure out how to get there. I take a cab there, and sometimes I need to ride back from the coworkers, but I don't like always ask. I don't want to seem like annoying, but yeah, like next time I'll probably take a cab there and back. I just don't want to over ask people for rides, but it is expensive, and I have 4 kids, man. The struggle is real. That's my stomach. I can't wait to get like a mic and like a better camera and some light, like better light and a better like setup. But it's gotta make do with what you got, right? I've been meaning to make a ASMR video. I don't know if it'd be a short or if it'd be a long video, but I'm just eating candy, but I don't know. I gotta pick out some candy to eat. That's, but this poutine is starting to get really salty. I got it from work. Look at Dairy Queen. But I didn't eat anything all day, so I'm just trying to eat. Okay, I think I'm done with that. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do about a vehicle. My brother came here today and he waited around for me to get off work so he could pick me up. So I had a ride. And then tomorrow we might be coming, but tomorrow's my day off. So, but next day I work again. Oh, I can hear my baby. I'm probably gonna have to end this soon because she woke up. It's like late, like halfway to morning maybe. That's the only time I can like actually have a quiet setup, you know, with everybody sleeping and so it turns out good. Like the video. I like this Blizzard because I like the gram base. It's really good. And I like the chocolate that goes in it too. I'll show you. They're like little marshmallow bars. Can't really, oh, there we go. See, I like marshmallow inside of it. Yesterday, I was so tired. I came home, and then I was sitting up there eating a Blizzard, the same kind, the same size. And then I had it in my hand like this, and then I just fell asleep because I was so tired. And then it just tipped, and then it just dropped all over me, and I just jumped up. It was cold. It's like a rude awakening, but yeah, it kind of sucked. So I like some feedback. Like, let me know, like what I can do to improve my videos, or like what I can do to, like make better videos, like the setup. And I just need some advice, But a camera and some lighting, maybe a mic would be so good. I mean, my son has a Blue Yeti mic, but I don't have a laptop. I just have my phone. And, yeah, but I'm saving up to get one. But I'd always borrow my son's mic and then maybe like save up to get a camera afterwards. But, yeah. I'll try this other dessert for you guys. And this one. See it? That's the brownies underneath. The topping, and then there's like a chocolate mousse or something in the middle. This is good. I like this with topping. I don't mind the brownies, I'm just not feeling it right now. I just wanted to try it for you guys. I think I have a video with these, eating these and a bunch of other snacks. I'm not sure. I think I do, yeah. But I'll probably upload this video like right away. And then there's another video I want to upload. I was eating noodles, I think it was. I like it, same setup and everything. But anyway, that's how it goes. I'm going to go and tend to my baby girl. And you guys have a good day, a good morning, and God bless everybody. And I hope to spread positivity and happiness and laughter. But yeah, I just I like I'm a very genuine, nice person, and I like to get like good karma back. And it's not all about karma or anything like that. I'm a firm believer of it though. But I mean, I'm not a judgmental person. I'm not like, I've been through it. I've been through some shit. Maybe I'll tell you guys in another video about my my dark road. On the dark path that I was on back in like a few years ago. But I'm doing good now and proud of myself for coming this far. But in another video, I'll talk to you guys about my like past life, and just so you guys can get to know me, and yeah. But I'll see you guys, and good night.